day of joy not just for the Bahubali superstar Prabhas but even for all his fans across the world. The lead actor who shot to fame all over India for Bahubali The Beginning is celebrating his 36th birthday today. Born on October 23, 1979, the actor has won millions of hearts with S.S. Rajamouli directorial flick Bahubali. The fans of Prabhas just cannot get enough of it. This movie has not just created history in the Indian cinema but also in Prabhas' life. Prabhas made his debut with film Ishwar that released in the year 2002. In 2014, he did a special appearance in Prabhudeva directorial Hindi flick Action Jackson. It is rumored that the actor is learning Hindi for better prediction in future in case if he intends to enter Bollywood. Prabhas. While we believe many South Indian actors have the perspective to shine in Bollywood, no one has more chance of succeeding other than Telugu actor Prabhas. As darling Prabhas is celebrating his birthday today, we take a look at the factors which sets him apart from the rest and make him most prone to succeed not just in Tollywood but also big bad Bollywood.
నేనెప్పుడు చూడని కళ్ళు నన్ను దేవుళ్ళ చూస్తున్నాయి.
The Bahubali factor. After the super smashing success of Bahubali, not just the director shot to fame, but also the lead actor who played the character Bahubali got to make it in Bollywood. After making such a remarkable impact on audience's mind with just a dubbing film, imagine the amount of buzz that would be attached to his Bollywood debut. No southern superstar has that benefit of national level popularity which Prabhas has. We must actually thank S.S. Rajamouli. Karan Johar's friendship. It is very important to have right contacts to make it big in Bollywood. We must admit it. Rajamouli's Bahubali wouldn't have been such an exceptional hit if not Karan Johar's aggressive promotions. Kejo was the one who introduced Bahubali and Prabhas to India. Many actors from South would kill to build such association with who's who of Bollywood. He is sexy and who doesn't know it? Being fit and being in shape is very important in Bollywood. With every newbie flaunting his chiseled six-pack abs, the struggle is really cutthroat. In the past, we have seen handful of stars from South who have failed to impress Bollywood with their body. And even if some star has a fit body, they seem too shy to show off their abs. That is surely not the case with Prabhas, who not only has an enviably well-built muscular body, but he also has no worries in unbuttoning his shirt and flaunt his abs. We have evidently witnessed his strong physique in Bahubali. So, on the occasion of his 36th birthday, we wish Prabhas a very happy birthday and hope he makes a Bollywood debut soon post Bahubali. Wishing darling Prabhas a very happy birthday from Team White Talkies.